back if you're a regular. Welcome if you're new. I'm Tracy with Y. The pool has been open for a little while, so I've been letting the April showers fill it up. I have the dolphin running right now cleaning it, but we're going to do a quick rearrange on this deck and get it ready for summer. Anyways, it's hot out here today. It's like 80 in Ohio. Okay, let's get busy. A little organizing here. Just got some multi-purpose spray. Wipe these things off. I wish I closed it, but I'm not sure. I'll rinse that off in a bit. Might be funny if I fell in the pool. Okay. It shouldn't take us too long. This right, same book, actually 2 years ago. I love it. I have it on my hand. I think that's my bag. That's where I get all my outdoor furniture, my clothes, mostly. That really needs stained, actually. Gloves are under the deck because it's so hot. Yeah. Oh, I might put nails in it here. Okay, now the slide is golf ball. It's so hot that it's already dried. Like it's Rachel put some stuff in for us. It's supposed to be 80 2 times this week, so hopefully spring is officially here. Hopefully. Okay. Alright, put these on. pause you, go get my decorations, and I'll bring you right back. Might get some water too to wash off the top of that. My dog walks. Okay. All right, guys, I'm back. Just a quick recap. I basically just laid out the rug from Sam's Club, the chairs from Sam's Club, pillows are for Home Goods, that little basket looking things from Home Goods. The dolphin's running. I have one little spot it keeps missing right here. Other than that, the pool looks good. Believe it or not, with the rain we've had in April, we've added about 3 to 4 inches of water. So I'm not going to hook the motor up until, or the pump up until 1st of May. So I'm going to let it keep filling and just keep adding liquid, filling with rain and adding liquid shock occasionally, a couple ounces of algicide, and I'll run my dolphin about every other day. Then once it's nice enough, we'll drop that down in. It sits right here. And then there's the dock box. I always keep an owl to keep birds off of my stuff. There's Maggie. But basically, this is kind of all we really do. I don't do flowers or anything. But so that's pretty much it. And like I said, I probably won't start adding water from the hose until end of April, 1st of May. So I'll just keep letting the rain water fill it. Now, if it started to look bad, I would put the hose in and probably have it full in about a day if it ran all day. And we'd get the pump going. So anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, all the things that we do. Maybe this fall I'll stain this deck. I don't know. I'm not good at painting or staining. So anyways, guys, you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.